In Sacramento, the city's Meadowview neighborhood south of Florin Road is a COVID hotspot with 521 cases in the 95823 zip code, according to the county's public health dashboard. One critical need here is more testing centers, according to City Councilman Larry Carr.
So I've been very frustrated that we have not placed testing facilities near people, especially the people of Meadowview.
Sacramento's Del Paso Heights neighborhood is another COVID hotspot with 288 confirmed cases in the 95838 zip code, represented by City Councilman Alan Warren.
African Americans, Hispanics, and even Asians make up the majority of those communities. They tend to be communities where you have larger households, so people are living together more closely and actually in smaller homes.
But even in communities like Galt, where people are more spread out and the housing is less dense, COVID cases are on the rise, with 220 cases overall. Contact tracing shows much of it is due to private gatherings and from people that won't wear masks or face coverings, according to City Manager Tom Hagland.
We've had some businesses that have just simply refused to do that, don't want to do that, sometimes claiming that the COVID-19 is a hoax.
But COVID is no hoax, and most of the people getting it now are young, between the ages of 18 and 49, people who work hard and like to party.
In a number of the clusters that we have worked on is that it was somebody who went to a gathering with mild symptoms and then passed it on to other people.
California as a whole is seeing more people testing positive and ending up in hospitals, not only in Sacramento County, but also San Joaquin County.
Our hospital med-surg beds are at about 70% capacity, but our ICU beds are at 121% capacity, which means we're over capacity. So we are in surge mode.
The city of Stockton is the county's hotspot, with a word of warning from San Joaquin's public health officer.
Although people might be tired of hearing it, the message is still the same. Stay home.
Mike Lurie, KCRA 3 News.